Since you last seen me, we lowered the XB and put different wheels on it. Just the teen S-Tech springs on OEM shocks and struts. So we're going to change out the tint on the taillights, because right now it is, here's the stock taillights. It has a tint on it. We'll take that off here in a second. And then I got factory radio, waterfall, bezel, whatever you want to call it. So we're going to paint these black, those silver pieces. No, there we go. So these have been wrapped for 2 years. So let's see how this comes off. Ooh. Yeah. We could be here for a while. I've never done this before. Alright. So if heat helps to put them on, to release the air bubbles, maybe we can heat them up and get that glue to warm up and release. So let me try that. Best $8 ever spent, hands down. Harbor Freight. Oh shit. Oh. Nope. I don't know. This is a little harder than I thought it was going to be. I was kind of hoping it would just peel off like a, I guess like a vinyl on a car, but maybe due to the length of time it was on there, that's why this is so hard to get off of there. Just pulling off chunks. And it's leaving behind all the glue. Yeah, I was hoping this would peel off clean so I could just scuff it. Try to shoot it with paint to tint them, or candy them, whatever you want to call it. But we ain't getting nowhere. This shit's taking forever. Heat her up. Let's see. Oh shit, that's hot. Oh. Nope. Yes, but no. It's peeling a little easier because it's a little more pliable, but it's still even hard to sticky stuff. It's hard to see. Oh, you can't see it on there. Yeah, this is smooth, and this line is sticky. It is making it more pliable. I suppose that's working. I suppose. Boom, pop the gasket. Boys, this is not fun. I didn't think this was going to do that. This is the light smoke from Vivid. That's who made it. I was wanting to say Avery, but that was wrong. It was Vivid. And it was the right stuff. It wasn't a knockoff. So, then again, I don't know what I'm doing taking this off, so this could be all my fault. This could be how it is to take it off. I don't know. Just glad I didn't wrap my car in it. Well, okay, I lied. The stripes that were on the fender that were painted green, I covered up with Vivid's matte black. So, I could be in for a treat whenever those come off and we paint it. Those corners being a real treat. Just this little corner. Boop, boop. I'm just going to leave that on in case we can get back. Looks like we're good. And then a whole bunch of glue on the dang thing. Shoot. That's gross. Look. If your weed's that sticky, that's a good thing. A little pro tip from the amateur. Not sponsored. Should be. Alright, let's get the other one. See if it's just as bad. I'm sure it is. Stuff's like really, I don't know, brittle. That's what I'm looking for. When we heated it up around the edges, stretched it, pulled it, shrunk it. It's brittle. But we learn. We live and we learn. This looks funny if you don't know what's going on. It's a little better, but I thought we'd be done with this by now. If you've made it this far, thank you. Because I'm about ready to throw these things away. This is terrible. I had no idea it was going to be this bad to just pull a sticker off. If you've stuck with me through this terrible process, it's almost been 20 minutes. I'll time lapse this so it's not that long for everybody. But if you stuck around, leave me a comment with the word Miller Lite. Y'all, terrible. Oh, I heat it up too fast and it just melts off. I'm not even sure my heat gun should be on this long. Alright. 20 minutes later. We're done. Still sticky. So, I'm going to take these inside and try to wash them off with something. Dawn, Purple Power. Something to get this glue off with. That way we can sand them down and get them tinted the other right way. I don't think tint's a bad way. I just want something different. So that was fun. That took a lot longer than I thought it was going to. But I time-lapsed most of that for you. Try to leave the funny comments in when I can and not drag all that out. So I'm going to end it here and go in, wash all this soap off. Or not soap, shoot. Glue. I'm going to wash all the glue off. And then next time we'll sand it and be prepped for paint and we'll spray it. Later.